On today's menu, a hearty recipe that's delicious and easy to make. An extraordinary hearts of palm salad. 喂好嘛, that's how's it going in Cantonese. Welcome to Young Man Cooking, I'm Will Yeung. A bit of a short recipe today, but there is no shortage in flavor and amazing textures. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. Let's begin. Peel and thinly slice about 1/4 of a red onion. This recipe is good for about 2 generous portions, but of course you can multiply it to make more if you like. I'm using about 100 grams of cherry tomatoes. I absolutely love cherry tomatoes. They're nice and juicy, and they add extraordinary natural sweetness. Slice the cherry tomatoes in half. This is hearts of palm. It has a delicate, soft texture similar to that of an artichoke. It has a mild salty, nutty, and sweet flavor, and it's absolutely delicious. I'm using a 400 ml can of hearts of palm today and slicing them into bite-sized pieces. Peel, pit, and dice 1 avocado. This will also add a nice soft texture and a butteriness as well. This is watercress. It's one of the ingredients I absolutely love. It's earthy, has a subtle sweetness, and it adds a whole lot of freshness. Wash the watercress in a sink or a bowl with some cold water. I love using a salad spinner to really dry off the watercress. Watercress has a refreshing peppery flavor and a really robust texture. This episode is a companion video to one of the recipes found in the 4th cookbook, simply titled Dining In with Will. For more information about this book or the other Young Man Cooking cookbooks, be sure to check that link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, thank you so much for supporting the cooking show. Roughly chop the watercress. Roughly chop about 30 grams of parsley, stalks and all. This will add freshness and brightness to the dish. Transfer the greens to a large mixing bowl. Red onions, cherry tomatoes, hearts of palm, avocado, about 2 tablespoons of hemp hearts for a little salty, earthy flavor, and a pinch of chili flakes for a subtle kick. Make the dressing by combining about a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, about a tablespoon of olive oil, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, about a tablespoon of plant-based mayo, half teaspoon salt, and fresh cracked pepper to taste. Mix together until combined. It should be nice and creamy. Start by pouring in half the dressing, giving it a good mix, give it a taste, and see if you'd like to add more. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take away. Plate the salad generously. Serve this with some toasted bread, some baked tofu, or just a simple lemon wedge. You can now enjoy this hearty salad with absolute confidence. This looks just beautiful. That is just phenomenal. Visually, you have this really rustic and casual, inviting looking dish with just beautiful colors. The cream color from the hearts of palm, the pop of red color from the cherry tomatoes, the purple from the red onions, and the beautiful hemp hearts that's just dotted throughout. The hearts of palm has this subtle saltiness and an extraordinary, tender, soft texture. The avocado adds this butteriness. The red onions have that pungent flavor. And of course, the cherry tomatoes add that really nice natural sweetness. The watercress and the parsley adds body to this dish, and just from that first bite, it's so refreshing, earthy, with a little bit of natural sweetness as well. That dressing really brings everything together. It's salty, has a little pepperiness, and has this smoothness as well. And of course, that lemon juice really brightens everything up. This is such an easy recipe to throw together. Definitely a recipe you can make on repeat. It's simple, delicious recipes like this that makes it so much fun and exciting to cook and dine in at home. If you love easy, delicious recipes like I do, be sure to check out or pick up your copy of the 4 Young Man Cooking Cookbooks. There is a print or digital version available in the link in the description box below, or you can visit youngmancooking.com. As always, if you enjoyed today's episode, be sure to give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below. If you're not already subscribed to our email newsletter, that is the best way to keep notified and so that we can cook together again in the next episode.